So today we're going to show you where all the fluid locations are on this shaped Ford Fiesta. This one has the 1.25 litre engine, which is a 4-cylinder. So we're going to open the door and then we're going to release the bonnet release lever, which is just located under here. So it's that lever there, and you just pull it like that, and the bonnet's been released now. So we're going to open the bonnet, lift it up slightly, and there's a little release under here that we're just going to twist that way. And then it comes up. So what we just did was we put our finger under there and we just went like that, and then it releases the bonnet to come up. Then lift the latch up for this, and then put it into that position so it holds it. And now you've got your screen wash fluid location just here, your coolant location just here, which you can undo it by just unscrewing that. We're going to keep it closed now, but don't open this while it's hot, only open it while it's cold, otherwise boiling water will explode onto you. There are minimum and maximum lines here, which this one is definitely low on, so it needs topping up, but it should be in between here and here. This is your brake fluid reservoir, which again, just unscrew the cap and then you can top it up. And that's got a minimum and maximum level here, so that's the minimum, that's the maximum, which this one's just about on the minimum. Then we've got here where you add the engine oil, so that just comes up and you can top it up from there. And then down here you have the dipstick. And then in between here and here is where the level should be, which here you can see it is in between there. Really get a tissue, wipe it off. A bit easier to see now in between the minimum and maximum. Put it all the way in. Lift it back out. And then there you can see it is in between the minimum and maximum, which is how it should be. If you need to top it up, you can top it up through there. And that's all the fluid locations that you need to know. So just comes off just like that. Then you can top it up with your fluid. And make sure it's in between your minimum and maximum. Then just do it up till it doesn't do up anymore, and then you're done. And just like that, the job's done. Nice and easy, and anyone can do it.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.